Hi guys, today we're playing Juggle Adventure. I'm from KG to E. Okay, now let's start the game. Okay, let's see from which one we will do. We'll go in this. Okay, now let's start. Let's go in this now. Okay. The ad is here, so when that closed, we will go and play the game. Okay, now let's play the game. Oh, there's the heart we have. Oh no, the monster is. How we can beat that monster? Oh no, the spiky things are there. Oh no! If we put the stones on him, see, the power is getting lower. So if it gets red, the power is getting, that means the power is getting lower. Okay, now let's keep fighting with that monster. Oh no! Oh, okay. The monster, I know the monster is back. How we can beat that monster? Oh no! Where is that monster? I don't know how I can beat that monster. Oh no, more are coming. No problem. It's super low right now. The monster's power. Okay, now more low. The monster power is finished. The monster died. Now let's go to the other part. Okay, let's go to the other part now. Okay, so let's push that two things. Okay, and let's see. We did that. Oh no, come back. Okay, let's go in this one. Okay, let's see. Let's go into that. Okay. Wait. Okay. Here we are. Press the skip button. Now we have to get all these. Jump, jump. Okay, go forward. Oh no, two zombies are there. How we can? We have to jump from them. You have to get jump, jump, jump. Okay. We have to push that. Now the fruits are here. We have to get all the fruit with jumping. Okay, jump, jump, jump here, jump. Oh. No, the banana. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, we have to get this. Okay, we are jumping. Jump down. Okay, we have to jump and go up of this. We have to go up. There you go. Now we have to go across that and go. We have to cross. We have to stand these. Let's see if hold that string. Now we have to get that over. There you go. We're safe. How are we gonna get there? Okay, so the banana, one banana is there. Okay, we got it. We got it. Get all those fruits. The jump, the purple is the fruit, the other vegetable and fruits are there. I don't know that name, so let's keep going. Okay, let's go over that side. The cone is up there. Okay, we go this side and again, and this side. There you go. You have to go frontwards, jump, and go that frontwards. Got this. Now go in this side, and here, down. Come here, we'll go there. There you go. Now go straight and take all these bananas and mangoes. On the left. Okay, let's take this mangoes. Okay, let's see how we can get those Oh no. No problem. But we still. We have to get here to that side. There you go. Okay, we will go. We keep going. I don't know what is from that. More coming. Jump off it. We have to jump. No problem, but it's going there. We can take our fruits. Oh no, one more is coming. How we can get there now? Okay, so let's see. Now it's going up that side. Now let's do now. Okay, we are getting all the mangoes, bananas, all side bananas. Oh no, one big stone is coming. Let's go fast because of the big stone. There you go. You have to get there and there you go. Now let's see if we can get on that tree. Oh no. There you go. We'll get all the mangoes and cross it. We have to get that spinning thing. Oh no, really? No problem. It's there. That is here. No problem. When it's gone, we will play the game. Now 2 arrows push that side. Okay. So we are going to the next one. That was our look on. So let's do this. That was good. Okay. Let's play the game. Okay, it's start. Let's skip it. Okay, now let's go their side. Get all the bananas. Banana. Oh no, what is this? I'll just get. Okay. Oh no, there's a bird coming. Yeah, okay now. After bird. No, just keep coming here. How we get that side? Oh. No, we have to do just throw those things on the bird. Okay, we are safe now. There you go. Now the monster is there. We have to jump across the monster. We are safe. Oh no, just jump to fly. Here. Okay, let's go that side. Bam. There you go. Okay. Now let's push this. There you go. This is our heart. Oh, there you go. Push this. The cave's open. There you go. We crossed it. We get all the fruits. Yay! Okay, now let's jump over here. We are stuck here. There you go. We are free now. Yay! Okay, let's go here. Let's down jump. There you go. Let's see if we can get this hard. Oh no, we're stuck. There you go. Now we're safe. We'll go this side. But how I'll go there now? There you go. We're safe. We have to jump off this zombie now. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now let's see how we can do this. How we can open? We'll take that ostrich. It's free now. Now let's go to that side. Okay. This side. Why are we looking there? This side. Go cover it. Go fast. There you go. Get that ostrich. Now let's go here. Now see. Let's take these. Okay. Take these things and take their same. Oh no. Okay, we get these also. Let's take these bananas. All the bananas. This. Okay. A zombie star. What did I tell you? Well, we are safe from the zombie. Now let's jump. Jump. Oh no, we missed 2 apples. And let's take these things. The zombie is there. The ostrich. The ostrich there died a zombie. His foots are strong. Okay, so what is that? Oh no, we have to cross by it. A snake is also there. Okay, let's take these things. Yay. We take them. Now let's take the bananas. We have to jump and jump, jump. There you go. Okay, let's get those bananas. Okay, now let's go here. We get that magnet. First, let's find this ad. When the cross comes, we'll skip and go play. Okay, it's very late, guys. There you go. It's finished. Okay, let's cross that sign and push that. Okay, let's keep playing. We have the magnet. Look that, guys. It's so awesome how we can do this. I know because magnet things are attached with the magnet things. Okay, the magnet go away. We have to just pull it back. Okay, we have to take that. We have to pull this. After that, take that. Push. No. When it comes here, I'll jump on it. There you go. The snake is fast. The snake is fast. Oh, there you go. This is a zombie. There you go. That's it. Okay, the heart is there. Here. Okay, the sparrow is there. We'll cross from that sparrow. Okay, let's keep these things. Okay, let's take that. It's hard to take. There you go. You press that. Now we can go and take it. And go and take that. Okay. Let's see this. There you go. We get a sword. A zombie is there. Okay. And then let's press this thing. Hello. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you. Bye bye.